Hello friends, in this video we'll be studying some basics of coordinate geometry. First one is to find the length of a line joining two points A and B. Coordinates of A, x1, y1, coordinates of B, x2, y2. AB, that is length of the line, or we can say the distance between A and B, is given by under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Second point is to find the midpoint M between A and B. So this M will be given by x1 plus x2, means we will add both the x coordinates upon 2 and then we'll add both the y coordinates, that is y1 plus y2 by 2. Third point, which is very important, that is gradient or slope of a line. The gradient of a straight line is a measure of its inclination with respect to the x-axis. Gradient is denoted by letter M. It is the ratio of increase in y upon increase in x. Increase in y means take the difference of this y coordinates, that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, or we can say y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. On the basis of these two formulas, we can say that gradient of a line may be positive or negative. Now positive gradient means the line makes an acute angle with the positive direction of the x-axis. You can check with this figure, this line is making angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. And the negative gradient means the line makes an obtuse angle with the positive direction of the x-axis. From this figure, you can check this line is making an obtuse angle with the positive direction of x-axis. On the basis of gradients, we can check whether the lines are parallel or perpendicular. If lines L and N are parallel lines, they have equal gradients. We can check from the figure, these two lines L and M are making equal angles, that is theta, with the positive x-axis. So these two lines are parallel, then their gradients are equal. So we can write as slope of line L is equals to slope of line M if they are parallel. Now if lines are perpendicular, suppose these two lines L and M are perpendicular lines, then product of their gradients will be minus 1. Or we can say if one line has gradient M, then any perpendicular line has gradient minus 1 upon M. I'll take two examples to explain. Determine whether the given points are collinear. Points are given A, B and C. So we'll find gradient of AB. Gradient of AB is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, that is 1 minus minus 1 upon 1 minus 0. It will become 2. Now we'll find gradient of line BC. It is 3 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1, that is 2 again. So these two gradients are equal. It means points A, B and C, all 3 points lie in the same line, or we can say that points are collinear. Second example to explain gradients of perpendicular lines. We have 4 points A, B, C and D, their coordinates are given. First of all, we'll find gradient of line AB, that is 1 minus 3 upon minus 3 minus 3. 1 minus 3 minus 2 upon minus 6, that is 1 by 3. Now we'll find gradient of line CD, that is minus 7 minus minus 1 upon 1 minus minus 1, that is minus 6 upon 2, which is minus 3. We can check product of these two slopes, 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3 is minus 1. Hence we can say that line AB is perpendicular to CD. Thank you.